Hi students, today we are going to discuss one of the problem which you people have asked on how to create a LR1 parse table for a given grammar. Okay, so the problem looks like this. So we have a set of productions for the grammar like S is equal to AB, then A as of the production X, A, Y and epsilon, and B as Y, B, Z and B is epsilon. So to start with, what we will do is we will add one more production to it, that is S dash is equal to S, okay, dollar. Understood? So this is the production I added to create the LR1 parse table. So let me reiterate. For creating an LR1 parse table or LR parse table, what we do is basically we create a finite state automata having what we call as LR items. So for LR0 parser, it will be a LR0 item set where every state represents in an item set of either LR0 item. For LR1 parser, we represent it as LR1 item set, and LR1 item is something like a two tuple where the first element is a LR0 item and the second element is a look ahead symbol. Understood? So if I say, so it will be a, so I say that LR0 item and there is a look ahead symbol which tells me that after doing derivation using that production, what is the what I am expecting as a terminal symbol, okay, in the input string. Okay, so let us start. So my initial state will be, so let us first draw the LR0 item set and then we'll append the corresponding look ahead symbol. Okay, so the initial state, suppose I represent it as S0 or state 1, suppose S1. So what this S1 will contain? It will contain S dash as dot S dollar. Okay, now, and what will be the look ahead symbol after I have performed parsing of S is dollar. Understood? So this is my LR1 item. Now using the principle of closure operation, so S is equal to AB, so I'll have another LR0 item, S is equal to dot AB. Okay, and S I am reducing, so what will be the first of, so what will be the look ahead symbol here? It will be the first of dollar and hence it will be dollar itself. Okay, now for this one I have production for A as A is equal to dot XAY as the LR0 item, and for this the look ahead terminal will be what? So after doing reduction through this, what will be the look ahead symbol? It will be first of B dollar. Okay, so first of B dollar will be what? So I have B as YBZ, so it can be Y, and if B is empty, is nullable, then it will be dollar. Understood? So this A is equal to dot XAY comma the look ahead symbols are Y dollar. Understood? And similarly for A is equal to dollar also, A is equal to dot, that means epsilon, without consuming any symbol, so the look ahead symbol will be also B dollar. Sorry, it will be Y comma dollar. Okay, so this is my state 1. Now from here I will try to capture other scenarios. So suppose I consume this non-terminal symbol S, then what will be my new state will contain the new LR1 item will be S dash is equal to S dot okay, and the look ahead symbol is dollar. Understood? So I represent it as a new state. So suppose this is S2. Okay, for this one, suppose I consume A. What will happen? A will have, after consuming A, it will have S as A dot B. Okay, and the look ahead symbol, as I have already told you, will be dollar. From here, A dot B, there will be another starting state for B. So you have production for B. So it will be B as Y B Z dot, and here the look ahead symbol will be dollar. Why dollar? Because there is nothing here. So what I'm saying is the definition you should look at. Okay, so if you look at the definition, let me, yeah, so if you have a LR1 item set, something like this, A as alpha dot B beta, and the look ahead symbol is X in state I, then, and I have a set of production like B is equal to dot gamma, then what will be the look ahead symbol? So what I do is, for each production of the form B is equal to gamma, okay, I check what is the first of beta X. Okay, so here my beta is what? Here my beta is dollar. Okay, for this case my beta is dollar. Okay, and hence what will be the look ahead symbol for this is the first of dollar, and hence it is dollar. So this is the end of string, in end of input string we represent. Okay, similarly for B as epsilon, what will be the scenario? So it will be dot, only dot, and the look ahead symbol will be dollar. Okay, so this is my state. Suppose I say it as state S1, S2, S3. Okay, then I have state, suppose I consume, mm, suppose I consume this thing, just a second. So I consume X. What will happen? So my LR0 item state will go to X dot AY. Okay, but the uh, item set we have is just a second, let me type it. So it will be just a second, let me type it. So my LR0 item state will be something like Y comma dollar. Okay, now what other things can happen? Now I have to start for the production A. So it will be dot XAY. So this is by applying the closure operation. So it will be dot XAY, and what will be my first of uh, so here it will be first of, look ahead symbol will be first of Y dollar. Okay, and that is equal to only Y. Understood? Similarly, for A as dot, will have the look ahead symbol as also only Y. Okay, so this is another state. So let me just type it. So it is not working. So 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 this state is, so this is another state and I represent it as, suppose S4. Okay, so I represent it as S4. Okay, similarly from here what will happen? So if you consume X, okay, if you consume X, then you will remain in that state. Understood? And if you consume further Y, further A, then you will go to a state like A is equal to X A dot Y, and the symbol, look ahead symbol will be Y dollar. Okay, okay, and again from here if you again go to A as X, so let me go to another page. So the idea being is we need to create LR1 item set where the first element is the LR0 item and second one is the look ahead symbol. Okay, so I have state S4 as A as X dot A Y. Okay, I have A as dot X A Y. I have A as dot, and the corresponding look ahead symbol I have is Y dollar. For this I have is only Y, and for this I have only Y. Okay, from here if I process, so if it process X, consume the symbol X, then it will remain in that state, and if it has A, then it will have what? It will have A as X A dot Y, and what will be the first symbol? It will be only Y. Okay, look ahead symbol will only be Y. Okay, and then from here if you consume Y, okay, then it will have A as X A Y dot, sorry, it will have A as X A Y dot, and the look ahead symbol is nothing. It will be Y only. Okay, okay, so this is another state. Okay, similarly for the state we have created, that is B as Y dot, we have just a second, so we have a state like, oh, we haven't created for, so from S3 what we can do, from S3 suppose I have the state S as A dot B dollar, similarly B as dot Y B Z dollar, okay, and B as, just a second, let me type it, and B as only dollar dot, and the look ahead symbol is dollar. So from here, so with these three representing a state, what I can do is, this is my S3. So if I consume, suppose I consume Y, what will happen? Suppose I consume Y, Then what will be the new state? It will be b as y dot bz, okay, and the look ahead symbol is dollar. Similarly, while again I have using the closure operation, it will be b as dot y bz, okay, and what will be the look ahead symbol? It will be again, it will be now what? It will be first of, because I am using this thing, so y dot bz, and for b I am using b as uh, dot y bz, so it will be first of z dollar, okay, and hence it will be only z. Understood? Similarly for b dot, the look ahead symbol will be only z. So this is one state, okay. So in this way we create the states, and the idea is, so in the while creating the parse table we'll follow the same principle for go to, okay, but the reduce action will do only when so shift action will be similar. So whenever I am doing, I am changing the state, I'll give a go to this state, and for reduce action I will only reduce when the look ahead terminal is this for only the look ahead terminals I will do the reductions, okay. For example, here suppose I reach at, suppose x a y dot, and my look ahead symbol is y. So in the parse table, wherever my column is y and my state is, suppose this state, okay, then suppose this is my state, suppose s5, okay. So for s5, whenever only for terminal symbol y I will be using this production to reduce, okay. So this is the basic idea. So now you can construct your LR1 parse table, I hope. Okay, thanks.